Welcome back to my channel, and thank you very much for being here. Sorry I've been away for a minute, but I had a very important graduation to attend. Okay, so this is the source of Filthy McNasty. Okay, what happened? We had a really major storm, an ice storm that built up on this threshold here from the outside. There's a little ledge right there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but that's what kind of trapped the water. This aluminum threshold, of course, gets ice, freezing cold, so it froze and built up over the seal of the door. Okay, so when the ice started melting, it whipped back through and got, as you can see, into the carpet and the padding. Okay, now the humidity from this moisture trapped in this room, once it all melted and wicked away from here, the humidity started building up in the room and just building up on the walls. Okay, building up at the ceiling, working its way down the hall, back into the bathroom. It just built up and became the perfect conditions of a petri dish in this area.